Hi everyone. In this session, I am going to discuss example of creator of three numbers. I want to apply the else if statement. Okay. For this reason, what I am doing, click on file, new Java project. I want to create the package as creator. Click on next. Click on finish. Here you can see the projects what you created. Right click creator, create a new class, and you can give a class name with main method. Okay, I want to give input on the console screen. For this, I'm adding the package. Okay, now I want to apply primitive data type int a comma b comma c. A comma b comma c values. Before going to this one, you have to create the scanner object. Just observe what I am doing. That is main important where you can catch it easily. Now I am going to read ABC values respectively. A is equal to S dot next int. Whenever you are giving the primitive data type, you have to take that method. B is equal to S dot next int. C is equal to S dot next int. Now you have to apply the nested else if. What is our program? You have to print greater of the three numbers. For this, what you have to do? A is greater than B. I am using the logical and A greater than C. So many are going to get confused in syntax. A is greater. So many are confusing with syntax and flower packets. That's why I'm demonstrating with a concise explanation part. B greater than C and B greater than J. The shortcut is sys out control space bar. Okay. B is greater. And now go to the last statement. Here I'm once again updating sys out control space. That is a shortcut you have to consider. C is greater. I created a package. I use a scanner class to insert a scanner object and I have given the class name, and I declare the variables with primitive data type. I create the scanner object, and next I am going to enter ABC values. So likewise, I'm going to read each and every variable and applying else if condition, nested else if, that is by checking with the all conditions, and finally you have to give the greater of three numbers. This is nothing but the else if ladder, and it is one of the conditional statement present in Java. So like this is the way you have to do the program for greater of three numbers. Now let us run this program. Give some random values, 45, 30, 12. See, A is greater. Okay, you get the three values. A value is holding 40, A variable holding the 45 value, B variable holding 30 value, C variable holding 12 value respectively. Among this, which one is greater? A is greater. Okay, I hope you understand. If you are having any doubts, please comment in chat. Please comment. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and keep watching for more updates.